Hey, you're right. That's how you fall. Walk. You're right. Go, 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 go!
Just went back 30 yards.
Go, Lexi!
Sit there!
Go two. And I'm in on. There you go. Nice. Down the line, baby. Down the line. Go ahead, Taylor. Go. Don't stop. Don't back off, babe.
There you go. John's got it.
All right, let's go now. Go that line. Nice. Go, baby. Go. Go to goal, baby. Go. Go to goal. Shoot it, Taylor! Good job, Taylor! Take the corner, baby. Take it. You're right, you're on.
But Campbell kept shooting. Where's the ball? Oh, that good.
Right!
That one,
Do it again! Nice!
you know, that one kid was in my class. One of the kids that was here, mine is freshman sophomore year.
Derek was off.
Put it in! Shoot! Come back!
You got the call?
He wasn't there.
Outside!
It was in my class?
Yeah, that was it.
All right, let's go, Blue, let's go! With some great crosses, baby!
The other one was the back seat.
Get it up! First two! Come on,
Right,
guys.
had seatbelts on, forward back, had no seatbelts on. Well, they hit a tree, so he was wrapped up in the tree. So all over the party. It was, I can't just imagine.
Get away! Go to her!
So yeah, we had dogs and wheels. They said the wall. He said, I didn't realize he trans. He wasn't like the last couple years that he got my last.
She might be on the way outside.
I didn't know he was trans.
Who's the other one?
Can't wait for it to come to you. You gotta go to the ball. Outside! Oh my God.
He already got on his GoFundMe, he's got like $15,000 today already. Somebody gave $2,000.
First two, Blue!
He's got 215. I think the other Lamar's got like about 30,000 given out. Well, I don't know when they started this, but it's okay. So exactly start. You also know about GoFundMe. They take a percentage.
Climb.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Something like that.
Oh my God.
They take a percentage.
That's funny you do that.
I always thought for years that they always got, got the full amount. I don't know what it is, so I don't know.
There's like a fee for you.
Good, Taylor, go! Come on, Blue! Nice.
It's kind of like a credit card machine.
There you go. Good job, son! Get it out! Get it out! Nice. Keep going. Talk. Up the line. Come on, Mira. Come on. Nice. Go, Taylor. Go with her. Go, Gabby. Come on. Get with her, Taylor. Come on, Tay. Someone be up there. Your forward's over there throwing it. Yeah, that's a... Kick it up. Get in there. Come on, Blue, talk. You guys are all like right here. Spread it out. Let's go. Go, Taylor. No more. Go two. Go to her. Go, Taylor, line. Pick it up the line. You're offside. Here we go. Good job. Thank you. Good. Come on, stay with it. Taylor, you're there, Taylor. Good work. Good job. Up the line. Let's go, Blue, move. Go, move. Up the line. Go, Taylor, go. Don't stop. Go. Go, baby, go! Turn it go. Taylor, run. Why not? Go, Taylor, be ready. Let's go. Outside. To the outside. There you go.
Teresa, shoot. Oh.
That was actually a good pass.
Shoot.
Get it, get it, get it!
Oh. Good try. Really? Nice out back. Nice out back.
It is your left thing. It's not holding up that net. You give it to see. So she's got a really
Oh, yeah.
Did you exchange?
Yeah.
So what do you mean it's not one bad? No, you're broken. You're broken. Open it all the way. Open it all the way. You're putting it too far.
Right, Mom, let's get it back. Let's go.
So how is